Hello, how are you doing? Okay, I'm going to make this box, which is an IntoResin box, and it has a nice lovely lid as well. I think it's like a water effect or crystal effect on the sides. Um, I haven't used Create and Bloom pigments for a while, so we've got Kingfisher, which that's gorgeous. Zinnia, it's a beautiful pink, and we've got Aquilegia with lovely purple. I love these three colours together. So, but before I decant the resin, I want to put some of a Super Sparkle White from MiniScenes Store. And that's Tracy from MiniScenes GB. I am going to mix some of this into the tub of resin, which I'm using Artline. It's a 2-to-1 resin. It's the honey. I have measured 225 mils altogether, which works out as 150 of the A and 75 grams of B. And I mixed it up. These recommend like 3 to 5 minutes, but I just keep stirring until I have a clear consistency. So scrape all the sides, make sure we've got that all mixed in all the way around. There we go. How sparkly that is. Right, scrape that off. And I'm going to put some into each one. I'm hoping I've got enough resin. If not, I will have to mix up some more. Okay. Alrighty then. Should we do Kingfisher? Well, these are highly pigmented. Let's give it a stir. So you don't need much at all. There we are. Scrape that all off. That's probably too much on there. I'll just give that a whiz in. Look at that, hey. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wipe this off. And then mix the rest of it in. Oh, it's all nice and sparkly as well. Isn't that lovely? So, I'm going to do the same with the other two. Pigment everywhere. I don't know, can't take me anywhere. So I'm going to use this Zinnia now. Again, I'm going to just give it a quick mix. These are very good pigments, by the way. So, and I'll put a link to the store in my description below. So, scrape all that off around the sides. Oh, that's pretty. There we go for that one. And now the Aquilegia. find that hard to say sometimes. There we are. Okay. Alrighty. I thought I would do a dirty pour, and I'm going to put a bit of the clear in between each one, each colour, to try and stop them blending as much. So go with that much. So here we go. Go blue. A bit of clear. Purple. I know I'm not saying the right names. Right, back to the pink. Okay. Oh, look at that. Does that look cool? Right, let's go. Let's start. I think I may need to mix. Definitely need to mix some more resin, I think. Yep, definitely need some more. Back in a bit. So we're back, and I've done another dirty pour for the lid. So I'm just going to pour this in. I'm just hoping I've mixed up enough. Yeah, I have discount codes in the description for Artline, epoxy resin, so feel free to use that if you wish to do so. I really like this resin. I like it a lot. Okay, so there we are. I'd also like to thank my subscribers for coming along and watching. I really do appreciate you. There's also an my Amazon wish list if you wish to support me with anything, and a buy me a coffee if you wish to support me there too. I will be greatly appreciative of that. Anything from the buy me a coffee will go straight back into the channel to buy anything I need to make. I'd love that if you could support me in that manner. Okay, I'm just pressing down these sides to make sure there's no bubbles. I don't want to just disturb this too much though, it's going to change anyway, isn't it? Alrighty then, I'll see you back later. Let's demold, hey? I did that one off camera. I forgot to press record. I don't know, hey? Looks like we've got a few bubbles, but it's okay. The box is for me. It's not okay. Turn them straight back the other way so we don't change their shape. Oh, what do you think? Oh, look. What do you think, guys? I love that. Yeah. So I think I'm just going to do a couple of little stars. Just like little ones like that. Not too many. Just to... I'm not going to put anything else on. I know I could go around all the all inside here, but I don't think I will. I might go around the edge though. Just using the side of the nib. Look, a bubble there. But it's okay, I don't mind a bubble or two. Yeah, just using the side of the nib of the pen to just get those corners, the corner of the square. I mentioned before, Daisy. I mentioned before that I've got a discount code for Artline. I've also got one for IntoResin, 20% off discount. Or Let's Resin. So that'll be in my description box below. And feel free to use it. Go and treat yourselves. Why not, eh? Because if we don't treat ourselves, no one else will they? Well, I'm sure they will. So, the Artline disco. Artline's discount code is for 15%. So go for it. I do really like this resin, in all fairness. I like it a lot. I might do down the corners of here as well. Right there. Okay, gonna carry on with this, and I'll be back in a minute.